for a certain somebody. What's that guy? Who is that guy? Who is that guy? Talk about making an entrance. It's looking official now. So the current situation on the Golf Geeza. Fresh trim with me. You got fresh trim, mate?
Nah.
Oh, he's struggling.
I'm not struggling out here, man.
No fresh trim.
I'm going for the grinding look.
The grind look. Back at this place. See if they've got any cars in here. Whew. Hello there, sir. How are you? Oh, they have got cars in here. A little bit busy. Little bit busy. Whew. Beautiful. I can see beasts in here that you lot aren't allowed to see, so I'm going to stop filming. So, I am here, waiting for a certain somebody. What's that noise? Who is that guy? Who is that guy? Talk about making an entrance. Look what needs cleaning, eh? It's a little bit dirty, but it's looking official now with the lowering springs on it, isn't it? How are you doing, sir? How are you, man? You're right, my hands are a bit cold, sorry. Oh, the beast, look at it.
Look after me, saying,
mate. This is gonna get the eyes on touch.
Oh man, look.
See how he rolls in style. All blacks out.
Looks so much better, doesn't it?
Mate, it looks wicked, man. Did you go spacers as well, or just lowers?
Yeah, spacers on it already. We just need that little drop in it.
Yeah, man, it's perfect.
It's perfect now. It's absolutely perfect.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. They always say the rule of thumb is if you can get your trainer in, and she ain't fitting anything in there. Look, beautiful. Mate, it's a beast. Anyway, time to do some work. So the current situation on the Golf Geeza is the interior of the vehicle has now been completed. So let me give you a quick walk around of the interior. As you can see here, excuse the light, Mr. Geeza has got a custom steering wheel with carbon fibre on the vehicle. Let me get in. And now he has the addition of these beauties, custom paddles. Now these aren't your stick-on paddles, if you can see there. These are a new paddle itself, so the whole paddle has been taken off, the original paddle. And then we've got these custom paddles, obviously the DSG gearbox, the LCD touchscreen display. Let's have a look at the back of the vehicle. Seats being wiped down. General maintenance clean for the Geeza. And as you can see here, if you look carefully, the car is dirty. So, time to see how the coating's working. Give it a general once over.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So, the the Golf Geezer is all complete after its artisan maintenance clean. Look at the beauty. Somebody come and look at this. Absolute stunner. I don't know if you can see because the sunlight over here is atrocious, but beast is complete. Time to go inside and get the main man himself. Show him how his beauty looks. So let's go inside, see what he thinks.
Yeah.
So
Look at this.
back.
Yeah.
The beauty is now cleaned.
Yes, yes. Oh, I love this car, you know.
See, I think he's converted me to get a Golf.
Oh, there's our automotive boys doing their thing.
Loves it, don't he?
Rough weather at the moment, you know, but look how mint this looks again.
Yes.
Perfect.
Hope you like it, mate.
Awesome, bro.
Outside, inside.
Thing about it though, I just know like a mile down the road she's going to come and insult that again.
We do it on purpose.
Right,
Keeps us in the
every
job.
time you do it.
The Golf Geezer, this was ceramic coated.
That's it, bro.
This was ceramic coated a few months ago, and obviously it's back to how it should look. So that's the handover done. Time for Lenny to take his car away. What can I say? Artisan, Urban, Lenny. That's what we do. So one car down, one car to go. The next car is the Urban Defender, and this particular vehicle is having a ceramic coating. So as we know, we try and get a stage 1 done in quick succession, but effective at the same time. This particular vehicle has been a new build, so it shouldn't have too much swirls on the vehicle. We'll give this a stage 1 enhancement across all the panels, and obviously we'll start coating. So let's do what we do best, get this coated. So the vehicle is now inside. It has been decontaminated, washed, and all the other final good bins outside. Now it's time to do an inspection on the paint. So that is always the first point of call. See how the paint looks. And as you can see, there is a few swirls in the door. So the assumption is that will be the level across the whole vehicle. So we are going to correct each and every panel all the way around the car to obviously get up to a higher gloss level standard, and then once we're happy with that, we'll go ahead and put the ceramic coating on. So sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the show. So the current situation is I didn't have any time to show you what I was doing because I was too busy working, but the Urban Defender is all complete. Let's have a look at this. So the exterior was treated to a stage 1 enhancement, ceramic coating application on all the painted areas. The wheels was protected, the glass was protected, and the interior. So let's have a look at the interior of the vehicle. See how she looks. Look at this. Stunner. Another truck completed for Urban. We are finished here until we are back next week to get some cars ready for the show. But for now, whatever you do, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you do well.